Hello everyone, here we are in our second video. The first one we did the product. This second video we're going to be going over finding the quotient. Am I going to do these problems with you? No, because I need you guys to go back to those videos and look at how to do it. All I'm doing in this video is going over the problems and helping you on how to solve them. But we're not going to do these together, okay? This is for you to practice at home. Number one, it says 3.2 and 0 because we know that is quotient. Quotient means division. I know that it's asking me to pretty much divide 32 over 0. And we saw in the lesson for this unit that when we divide a number with 0, we give it a name. You can even show it to me like that and give me what word that is. I'm not going to tell you because it should be in your video and you should know. And if you don't remember, just go back in the video. It's also attached to this assignment. Okay. Number two, 3 1/5 divided by 4 1/5. If you see, these are mixed fractions or mixed numbers. All right. What I have to do, and I have to multiply the denominator with the numerator to get an improper fraction. And once I have my improper fraction, for my next step, I'm going to do keep, change, flip. I'm keeping the same fraction for the first one. Remember, the first step is changing both fractions to improper fractions, okay? How do I do that? I multiply and I add, and I keep the same denominator. For example, 4 times 5 will be 20, plus 1, 21 over 5, okay? And then you do the same thing with the first fraction. I just wanted to show you 21 over 5. Okay? And then you should have two improper fractions. The second fraction, you flip it. The denominator becomes the numerator, which is the top number. And you go ahead and multiply straight across. Okay? Number 3, negative 1.9 divided by 3.5 or negative 3.5. Because both of my signs are negative, we know that my answer is going to be positive. Okay? Do I have to put the positive in front of the problem, in front of the answer? No, because whether I have a positive sign or not, I should know that my answer is positive. Number 4 is 3/4 divided by 8/9. And all we simply have to do is change the sign to multiplication and flip the second one. So the 9 becomes a numerator and the 8 becomes a denominator. And you just multiply straight across. Okay? For converting converting fractions to decimals, all you have to do is this. Remember that fractions are division problems, in and out. And you set up your fraction. You set up your division. Out goes 3, 33 goes in, and you divide. In and out. 33 over 3. And for this one, from what I'm seeing, you might not have a decimal. So that was a bad example. But for the other ones, you will. Okay? Convert to a decimal. I showed you guys in the previous lesson how to convert to decimal, especially this one with a 10 as a denominator. There is a very simple step. You don't even have to do long division for this one. But how would you know what to do? You have to go back to that other video and fast forward to the part where you're converting fractions to decimals. Same thing for number 7. This, I gave you guys the example of $1. What does Ms. Nunez mean by the dollar? What does it mean when you have 1/4? How many cents? What decimal is 1/4? If you don't remember, go back to that video and find out. It is very important that you guys remember that, okay? And practice that because you're going to get to this in your different assessments, especially in your test this week. Okay? I'm going to get rid of my little notes over here. And in the next video, we're going to be going over how to find the product giving letters and substitution. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for you. I'm letting you know right now, 33 over 3, you're not gonna have necessarily a decimal, but you might have a whole number. Okay, so with that being said, meet me in the next video, and if you have any questions, please make sure you guys reach out, because I am more than willing and happy to help you. All right, bye bye, and check out the next video. Ciao.